There's the bad news for you, Skyler. What is it? A jalapeno, or some kind of pepper, has put an end to your mukbang. Meaning that you will ascend to the heavenly light as you hear the chorus of pads echoing from your space as you speak. But then, just wait, because this might be one of those things where you think you might, but you won't. But until that, then you hear the strange chorus of the pads echoing down right at your face. But then, there's a twist. You're gonna send to mukbang heaven. Did you want me? Did you want me? Did you want me? This is the end of mukbang unboxing, but with a twist. This is the true mukbang unboxing finale, as you speak, featuring a honeycomb, a Hungarian wax pepper, a large one too. It looks like a Pueblo pepper, or however you say it, pepper, but it's not. It's a Hungarian wax. I bought it from the store, and I got seaweed chips, Flavor Blast goldfish, and pure capsaicin juice from jalapenos. Let's get started on the mukbang. So, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to eat this honeycomb. This stuff has been known to be really sticky. And, wow, smells just like honey. So, because it is honey. That's what honey is. It's a honeycomb. Just gotta try to pick it up without damaging the cone structure. Ah, it's very flimsy too. Oh, there it is. Now I'm just gonna take a bite. Just listen. Just listen. Now let me get this straight. Ooh. Honeycombs. They have like a wax structure inside them from the hive. And that's what I'm chewing on right now. Let me go ask. Ah, so bitter. Well, I don't like the wax. It is edible, because I searched on AI, but I don't like it. Listen to my snare drum. Okay. Alright, that's enough of that. Now let's get to the seaweed chips. Yes, they're open because I had to take the tag out of them. Not the tag, but the, what do you call it? It's one of those, packets that dissolve moisture. one of those packets that dissolve moisture in a package. The silicone packet. That's what they are. I had to take that out of the bag. This is what they look like. And on the inside there, you could actually see the seaweed. And if you could just peel the fry layer out, then you get the actual seaweed in there. Pretty good, pretty good. I'd say it's really good. They're actually really good, and I'm gonna keep eating it because I love seaweed. Well, not seaweed by itself, but seaweed chips. That's the jalapeno capsaicin juice. Now, when I have the habanero juice, I actually call it jalapeno because I get habanero and jalapeno confused. But yeah, there it is. Now, I would say about the honeycomb. The honey is really good. The wax part inside of it, not so good. There you go. This is less spicier than habanero juice, but this is jalapeno juice. I'm just gonna take a straight chug. Bad idea! Bad idea! It's a bad idea! Bad idea! Hey everybody. They're having a great time. Now, before we get to the savory goldfish, because we treat goldfish like dessert in Mukbang unboxing. We treat dessert like dinner. Or breakfast, or lunch. Anything sweet. And that's the honey bud. As you see, it's got frosting on it, white frosting, like a cream or a icing. I'm gonna eat. Whoa! It's so good it'll make you scream. That's how good this is. Mmm. Mmm. See what happened? We break it apart. Oh, that was actually really good. Oh, ah, oh. hanging icing on it, or cream rather. Right above.
There you go, man.
That kid is having really a tough time with his food. I'm gonna go eat my soup of doom. I'm a banana. I am a man. I eat soup for any time of the day. I eat soup. I'll spill soup on my tongue. I spill soup on my tongue. I spill soup on my tongue. That is hot soup. Normal people, they eat their chicken, their chicken star soup in a freaking bowl. But people like me, I'm not those people. I eat it in a mug. I eat it in a mug. This should have been a bottle. I'm hen. I cannot handle soup like a man. No! But I don't care. But I can't do much of anything because YouTube don't care. Their algorithm don't care. I heard that, but that was the TV in there. Parents want a meeting. Voice intercom came on. They got a new voice intercom. It says something like spooky. Whatever. Now I wonder what would a seaweed. I wonder what it would taste like if I dipped the seaweed in the soup. You think I'll regret it? Just say it. You think I'm gonna regret it? Or you think I'm gonna like it? But I think I might regret it. I don't know. I'm gonna do it anyway because I just want to do it for your reactions. For you. Doing it for you. Dip. Mmm. 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 It's actually better than I thought. Chicken star soup. Chicken star soup. When things are hot, stick the tongue out. Don't look at it. Being funny. But the boxes, they eat butter. Butter. Plain butter on a stick is what boxes crave for their dinner. I can't afford dinner. Yes, you can. Good. Get yourself free to buy chicken pepper. I burped into my spoon and then farted. And then I pooped in it. Dumped in it. Somebody dumped seaweed. Seaweed. Ugh. Don't eat the chicken. Eat it in the rancher. But I'm vegan. Y'all can screenshot the face that I made there. You can even turn it into a meme. You do whatever you want. I'll make a funny face right now. Screenshot that. And make it into a meme. Make me popular before the end. Oh no! But I'm allergic. Oh God, it's hot. Got too much hot. I'm gonna cool it down with the doctor. Pepsi. Ow. Ugh. The K. The K. The K. The K. Make that into a meme. A finger burn. But I don't care because I love soup and this thing is steel. And I'm also a liar. I'm not vegan. I'm not allergic. And this is not steel. It's plastic. I think I already said that it's not steel. I feel old. But don't worry, we'll still be uploading to YouTube, but not mukbang unboxing shows. I'll do more like talking into the camera stories. Or me doing crazy stuff. Or not like crazy stuff, or I noticed that my gameplays, both the sandwich one and the chicken and the bird one, I forget the names of the games, but it's been a while since I played them. It was back in 2023 when it felt like a movie. The year. Has any comment down below? Did 2023 feel like a movie to y'all? That is possibly one of the one of the most popular videos of my channel. But the true most popular, oh no, I got honey on my table. The most popular video of my channel is the jalapeno one, when I first ate a jalapeno. Y'all remember that, sir? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Yes. I know. Oh. Whatever you are. But you are my ending. I don't. Oh, I'm gonna eat the spoon instead. It's gonna take a while. So I'm gonna go cut back to when I'm done eating the soup. Where'd the soup go? And then here's the second to last. Goldfish. But it is extra cheddar blasted. Normally I'm not really into cheddar blasted, but here I go popping this down for some wet my whistle. There we go. Wow. Wow. That is a little runny. It's because of the soup. I'm not allergic to soup, okay? Just soup sometimes makes my nose run sometimes. But that only happens when my nose is stopped up. Which it is stopped up. Sneeze. Bless you, Skyler. But you know what people use? OpenAI. And you know what I do to AI? I say funny stuff to it. Like, you're a butter. I'll make... Somebody make my videos into a meme. And everybody don't know, but I'll show you. Lastly, we're going to do the pepper. I'm using a plastic one because plastic ones work better. They make it cut smoother, sorta. Now, I'm not going to do what I did with the jalapeno. I'm not going to take a bite. I'm actually going to cut just a piece out of it. And then, oh, don't that smell so good. Just this much is what you need. Filling the peppers. It was a little spicy. There's supposed to be a Hungarian wet. Oh, there it goes. Oh, God, drooling. Ah, it's hot. Oh, God, it's really hot. Of the pepper! I'm tired of freaking peppers! Oh no! The pepper! No! It's turning me into a pepper! Oh! 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 No, 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 no! Now I am a pepper! No! 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 Well, here I am, close to the pepper's light. As a disclaimer, I forgot to show you in the beginning because now I'm going to spoil it, but watch what happens at the end. But there's nothing I could do because I forgot to show you at the beginning. What the? And also, I can't yell like that anymore. I can't scream out, subscribe to my channel anymore. My voice can't handle that. Back to the ending. Boo! Moo! The light. It shines down. Ew! Ew! But we ended a story. Because it's the end, alright. Everything has an end to everything. But I don't care because I'm mad because I don't get to do these things anymore. You didn't know I had a timpani. Or a drum, rather. It's not a timpani! Oh! You didn't know I had a drum there. But you never did. You never knew. 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 Listen to the snare. Listen to this beautiful snare drum. Yeah, it's so pitiful. Look at the drum. Move. I'll burn your drums. I'll burn your... Look at drum, look at a drum head. It sounds like metal because someone's striking metal.